How to remove green screen in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove green screen in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your Capcut project, and then you have to just import the project that you want to work on. And once you have your project, you have to click import and choose the green screen over here and add it to the track. Now you have this over here, and now you want to remove this green screen and just play this subscribe over here. Now once you select this video section, you have to click this remove background section, the remove BG section, and once you do so, you have to click this chroma key option. Click chroma key over here, and then you have to choose this color picker over here and click it. Once you do so, just click this color picker, and then you have to come to this green screen and click this green screen. And here you go. You have removed the green screen in Capcut PC, and now you're just left with the subscribe button over here. You can see I have removed the green screen over here, and now you can adjust its placement, and you can also increase the intensity if you want. You can just choose to increase the intensity and add shadow to make this subscribe button pop up a little bit more. So you can play around and just choose this feather edge, clean up edge, and you can choose more options, but you need pro version for these two. So just make sure you join the pro version and are a paid subscriber of Capcut, and then you can just choose to use feather edge and clean up edge as well. And that's how you remove green screen in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.